Welcome to Z Auto Reviews. Today we explore 15 insane luxury motorhomes that redefine what it means to travel in style. These machines combine performance, comfort, and design to turn the open road into a five-star experience. First on the list is the Marchi Mobile Elia Mint Palazzo. It looks more like a spaceship than an RV. It features a panoramic cockpit, a sky lounge on the roof, and an interior that feels like a penthouse. The price can cross $3 million, and every inch justifies it. Next is the Faulkner Mobile Performance S. This German masterpiece hides a built-in garage under the cabin, perfect for carrying a sports car like a Porsche. The living space includes a full kitchen, home theater, and custom furniture. At number 3, the Newmar King Air 4596. Known for precision and comfort, it offers a handcrafted interior, high-end electronics, and a ride smoother than most luxury sedans. The detailing makes it feel like a moving hotel suite. Fourth is the Featherlight Vontare Platinum Plus. It has marble floors, Swarovski crystal details, and Italian leather throughout. It even includes a hidden treadmill and a built-in wine chiller. Price tag? Over $2 million. Number 5 is the Prevost H3-45 VIP. It is tall, sleek, and built for durability. The sound insulation is remarkable, and the cockpit is designed for long-distance comfort. Inside, you find a full entertainment suite and customized layout options. Next, the Liberty Coach Elegant Lady. The craftsmanship is unmatched, with high-tech control systems and ultra-soft materials. Every unit is tailor-made for its owner. It feels more like a private jet on wheels than a motorhome. Seventh is the ForTravel Realm FS6. This American luxury coach includes heated floors, power shades, and touchscreen panels to control every system. Its design focuses on both beauty and practicality. Number 8, the Marathon Coach 1301. It's one of the most advanced RVs in the world, with automation for climate, lighting, and entertainment. The interior mixes rich wood finishes with modern minimalist lines. Ninth, the Anderson Mobile Estates Double-Decker. You may have seen celebrities like Will Smith use this one. It has 2 levels, a professional kitchen, and a conference area. It folds down for transport and expands at the touch of a button. Number 10, the Renegade Icon. Built on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis, it combines strength with elegance. The cabin is quiet, the furniture is handcrafted, and the entertainment system rivals that of a modern home theater. At 11, the Integra Coach Cornerstone. It's known for comfort on long drives, thanks to air ride suspension and adaptive cruise control. The interior feels like a designer apartment, with soft LED lighting and polished surfaces. 12th is the American Coach Eagle. It offers a balance of performance and luxury. The cockpit is built for driver comfort, while the interior includes custom furniture, a walk-in shower, and a smart home system. 13th, the Dynamax DynaQuest XL. Compact compared to others, but no less luxurious. It offers a sleek design, advanced safety features, and a modern interior with solid wood cabinetry and leather seating. Number 14, the Thor Tuscany 45MX. A popular choice for those who want top-tier luxury without crossing into ultra-rare territory. It features a large bedroom suite, tiled floors, and a premium audio system. Finally, the Newell Coach P50. Designed with input from Porsche engineering, it combines power and precision. The interior includes a modern open layout, smart lighting, and materials used in private jets. These motorhomes are not just about travel. They're about living anywhere with total freedom and comfort. From built-in garages to rooftop lounges, every model brings something unique to the road. If you dream of exploring the world without giving up luxury, these machines show what's possible when design meets engineering. Each one tells the same story in a different voice, that home can move with you, and comfort has no limits. Thanks for watching Z Auto Reviews. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of high-end vehicles.